Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the ISEP committee for giving me the opportunity to be part of this conference. I'm Nur Hasnida binti Muhammad Najib and my partner Nur Aziati binti Yahya would like to present our research paper, Factors that Influence the Use of E-Wallet Among Students. Along with the advancement of technology, there have been many technologies that can help people carry out various daily activities. One of the advancements of this technology is smartphone. Nowadays, smartphones have become an essential need to do various activities as online, such as to make payments using their smartphone. When using smartphone, the payment process becomes more comfortable, more practical and faster by using mobile payment instruments. Mobile payment or e-wallet is defined as a payment instrument using at least one mobile device as a tool for accessing the payment. It appears as an app on your smartphone. According to Dawn 2014, users use smartphone for instant financial transaction or digital transaction or namely e-wallet. It also allows users to make any payment instead of cash note and also enables users to perform safe and secure payment transactions. According to Blockchain 2018, it allows consumers to transfer money or make payment at a lower cost, more convenient and faster. Nowadays, mobile-based payments are one of the choices at almost every retail store. In Malaysia, e-wallet have been rapid growth where Maybank QR Pay, Touch and Go e-wallet, Boost, BigPay, and etc. are the several examples used in Malaysia. Younger demographic groups like students are the driving force toward this new technology. This research is conducted to study the factors that influence the use of e-wallet among students in Ungkuo Ma Polytechnic. Problem statement. Nowadays, more economies turning into a cashless due to there are some problems using cash to carry out transactions as potential inconvenience of going or getting to ATM machine or potential of losing wallet or having it stolen. When carry cash, it limits the spending because of limited amount of cash carried. In addition, it's bulky and heavy, especially when get the change in coins. The use of e-wallet is still limited where many players are spending heavily to get customer and merchant, cited from PwC Research and Analysis Malaysia 2018. In addition, Malaysia is still behind its regional players like China, India and Singapore. China is a role model of cashless society. The biggest barrier to accept e-wallet with 50% of non-users citing security as the main reason why they did not switch to e-wallet, cited from Nielsen Payment Landscape 2019. According to Harian Metro 2019, due to smartphone might be stolen, 30% of Malaysians are hesitant to use e-wallet to make any payment. The acceptance of e-wallet in Malaysia is very low at only 8% according to Tan 2019 and may still not be accepted by the consumers and merchants due to limited knowledge in this area. Research objective is to identify the factors that influence the use of e-wallet among students, to determine the relationship between the use and the factor of using e-wallet among the students, and to identify the most important factor that influence the use of e-wallet among students. Research methodology. Primary data were used in this research. Data were gathered by using questionnaire and distributed to the respondent to obtain the data. A set of questionnaire was developed and consisted of 3 sections, including demographic information, general information, and a question related to the dependent variables and independent variables. The items in the questionnaire for this research were adapted from the previous study. Data collection was done through an online survey by using the Google survey form. The data was collected from 230 respondents of the Commerce Department Ungkuo Ma Polytechnic students and using SPSS version 20. 3 main analyses was performed in this study: descriptive analysis, Pearson correlation coefficient, and regression analysis. 5-point Likert scale was measured for all the items to express the statement of agreement. The researcher used Cromba Alpha to measure the instruments reliability, and the value of the scale was 0.96. This indicates that the item's level of suitability is reliable. Cited from Sekaran and Bogi, 2010. Data analysis and findings. 230 respondents from Commerce Department Unkuama has been taken as a sample for this research. As a result, 27% were male and 73% were female. The respondents are from various semesters, consisted semester 1 until semester 5. The respondents are from various course backgrounds. With respect to the respondents, 30.4% were from Diploma in Business Management, 24.8% were from Diploma in Accountancy, 15.7% were from Diploma in Retail Management, 15.2% were from Diploma in Banking and Finance, and lastly 13.9% were from Diploma in Islamic Banking. According to the analysis of general information, the findings revealed that 100% of the respondents have mobile devices. Among these respondents, the data showed that 84.3% of them are using e-wallet, and this is an encouraging figure. Somehow, the finding revealed that the usage of the e-wallet used once time in a week is 60%, 33.9% used 5 to 10 times a week, and more than 10 times a week were 6.1% only. The most e-wallet application that used by respondents was Touch and Go e-wallet with a percentage of 58.7%. Convenience resulted in the highest mean score with 4.17, followed by security, which indicate of 4. For the lowest score is social influence, which is 3.63. Based on this result, it shows all the variables have a strong influence on the use of e-wallet among respondents. Convenience was found to be the most significant influence the use of e-wallet. According to Blockchains 2018, using e-wallet is more convenient and faster because it saves time and money. Cited from ringgitplus.com 2019, e-wallet has their own specific strengths, such as e-wallet can be used while abroad, and BigPay is a solid option. Pearson correlation is used to examine the relationship between the independent variables and the dependent variables. The indicator for Pearson correlation coefficient was adapted from Sekaran 2013. It was revealed that there was a high correlation between convenience and the use of e-wallet, R equals to 0.811, with p-value less than 0.01. It is a positive value. It indicates that the respondent of convenience has a positive relationship with the use of e-wallet. Security has a significant and positive relationship resulted as R equals to 0.705 with p-value less than 0.01. It showed a high correlation of security between the use of e-wallet. However, this contradicts with the findings by Chen, Yong, Xian et al. 2018, which showed an insignificant relationship. The view was parallel to the findings by Milberg, Smith, and Brook 2000, where lack of security keeps customers away from purchasing goods unless it is protected. The relationship between social influence and the use of e-wallet revealed that there was a moderate correlation. Social influence resulted with R equals to 0.496, p-value less than 0.01, which also significantly positive, parallel with the findings of Slade, William, Dwivedi, and Piercy 2015, stated that social influence gives impact toward adoption of e-wallet. Regression analysis, the value of R square is 0.679. From this value, it indicates the independent variables of convenience, security, and social influence contributed to 67.9% factors to the influence of the use of e-wallet. Another 32.1% factor of the influence the use of e-wallet is obtained by other independent variable which is not being measured in this study. It also indicates that convenience has a highest beta, which is 0.630, followed by security, beta equals to 0.174, and social influence beta equals to 0.101. It showed that convenience had the greatest influence towards the use of e-wallet. The results similar with Abbas and Hamdi 2015 were stated that convenience influencing perceived usefulness in mobile services. Discussion and conclusions. All factors of convenience, security and social influence is related to the influence of the use of e-wallet among students. Among all the variables, students of Ungku Amma Polytechnic agree that the factor of convenience is the most significant influence in the use of e-wallet. Students desire a service to be fast and simple. With this technology, it can fulfill the needs with the ease transaction. Through the findings, it showed that there is positive significant relationship between independent variables and with the dependent variables. In context of payment method, convenience refers to the speed and easiness during a transaction. Users are willing to use e-wallet if they experience that e-wallet provide convenience and high efficiency in making transactions in daily lives, cited from Khalid et al. 2010. Simple and secure application giving confidence to its users. It is important factor to consider when buying something online, cited from SADA 2016. However, through these findings, factor of security has a positive significant relationship that contradicts with previous research. It indicates that students are now believe that the issues of security are increasingly being addressed. By strengthening security level, it will bring students to start changing to use e-wallet. In fact, students nowadays grown up with technology, connected with social media networks and various technologies will increase the use of e-wallet. People surrounding them thus influence to use e-wallet in terms of social influence. When an individual are familiar with using electronic money, it will indirectly increase the amount of electronic usage. It will affect the attitude to use this new technology, which is e-wallet. Parallel to the findings Miao and Jayaka 2016 and Yang et al. 2012. Social influence does give positive impact toward the acceptance to use e-wallet. In the early stage of e-wallet, an individual hesitates to use the application of e-wallet due to several factors such as scam syndicate. Slowly, after experiencing the benefit of this application, the number of accepting the use of this e-wallet is increasing. Younger generation, such as students, are the driving force of this modern technology. Besides, this younger generation can improve their financial management by using this technology wisely. To ensure this e-wallet industry grows rapidly, the developers should offer more convenient user-friendly application with attractive promotions and various benefits to encourage the usage of e-wallet. It will help Malaysians move towards cashless society. That's all from me. Thank you.